Albert Genius fails to unlock when the subscription doesn't renew properly, your payment method is declined, or the app can't verify your billing status in real time. By the end, you'll know what Albert Genius actually does, how the cost works, and whether paying for it is worth it for your situation. Start with what Genius is. Albert Genius is the paid subscription inside the Albert app that unlocks financial features like automated savings tools and cash advance options beyond the basic free account. If the subscription isn't active, those features stay locked or may disappear from the app. Now look at the cost issue. Anyway, the biggest confusion comes from billing. If your card expires, your bank declines the charge, or your Apple or Google subscription doesn't renew, Albert can silently remove Genius access without a clear warning. That makes it look like the app is broken when it's actually a billing failure. Next, check subscription status. Inside the Albert app or your App Store subscriptions, you can see if Genius is active, paused, or canceled. If it shows inactive, resubscribing is the fastest way to restore access. If it shows active, but features are missing, it usually means a sync issue. Now check payment method. A declined card is one of the most common reasons Genius stops working. Even if your bank app shows the card is fine, subscription billing systems can still reject it due to small mismatches like billing address or insufficient authorization. Now consider app sync issues. Sometimes Genius is active, but the app hasn't updated your status correctly. Logging out and logging back in forces a refresh. Reinstalling the app can also rebuild the connection between your account and subscription status. Now the important question: is it worth paying? Albert Genius only makes sense if you regularly use features like cash advances or automated financial tools that help manage short-term cash flow. If you don't use those features consistently, the subscription cost may not provide much value compared to a standard banking app. Here's the simple breakdown. Albert Genius problems usually come from billing failures, expired payment methods, inactive subscriptions, or sync issues between the app and your App Store account. Do this next. First, check your subscription status in your App Store. Then, update your payment method. After that, log out and log back into Albert. Finally, reinstall the app if Genius still doesn't show up. If it still doesn't work, the issue is usually on the billing side, not the app itself. Albert Genius is less about cost alone, and more about whether you actively use the features often enough to justify the monthly charge.